All right, this is page 164, number 39, section 1.10. The directions say the stopping distance d of a car after the brakes have been applied varies directly as the square of speed. Certain cars traveling 40. So basically distance is proportional to the speed squared. When a car is traveling a speed of 40 miles per hour, it can stop in 150 feet. So here's my initial condition, kind of. What's the maximum speed it can be traveling if it needs to stop in 200? So if it can stop in 200, if we need it to stop in 200, what is the speed that it can be traveling? So you might think we have a problem with conversion of units, like this is in miles and this is in feet, but as long as we're consistent, the constant of proportionality will handle the conversion for us. So 150 equals k times my speed squared. Divide both sides by 40 squared. So my constant of proportionality is 150 over 40 squared. And I guess I could clean this up a little bit. I'm not sure I really want to. These are usually calculator type problems. I'm just going to leave it. All right, so my model is distance equals 150 over 40 squared times s squared. Now let's use our model to find the speed for a stopping distance of 200 feet. So 200, plug that in for d, equals 150 over 40 squared times s squared. Solve that for s. I'm going to multiply by 40 squared over 1. I have a hard time writing, sorry. 40 squared over 150. Multiply by 40 squared over 150. 40 squareds cancel. 150s cancel. So s squared is equal to 40 squared times 200 over 150. Solve that for s. We take the square root of both sides. When you take the square root of both sides, you always have to remember to do a plus or minus. So this is plus or minus the square root of 40 squared times 200 over 150. However, speed is not going to be negative, so let's throw out the negative solution. And I could try to simplify this by hand, but you know, it's a calculator problem. Who cares? Don't do it by hand. Square root, square root, 40 squared times 200 divided by 150. I think that was right. Control Enter. Just double check that was right. 40 squared, 200, 150. So my speed is about 46.2. 46.2, and that would be the consistent units with whatever my initial problem had, which was miles per hour. And that's it.